There was one hoe cheated on that bitch, then I felt bad. Two poles tucked up on my waist where my pants at. AR somewhere in a trap, came with 3 mags.
I gotcha.
Oh, Daniel Fraser.
Hi guys. Okay. Alright, so I gotta hold this. I don't know if I'm doing this right.
YouTube.
Ow. I don't know what I'm doing.
You got it. It's okay.
I'm trying.
She's got this.
Cody!
I told YouTube you got this.
Hey, Lamar, done this one.
This is so hard to get off. This second.
Corinne and her husband. That's Corinne's husband. All right, go sissy.
Cody, I can't. I feel like. Look, I don't know which one is which.
There's the husband. Hey, say hi. Hey.
Like, can you hold one side up? Yes. Let me help her out. You got step 5 because I did 4.
Yeah, I can't loosen it.
Here, baby.
It's easy.
Hold one side like this up.
Because I tightened it, and then it kept. And I didn't know which one was tight and which one was loose. I probably look crazy.
You don't want to make
You're pretty. You look so pretty. Yes, sis. Oh my God.
Not so tight. Just hold it up a little more. I can't do it with my fingers.
This is harder than we expected.
I'm ready to finish. That nigga lazy.
Come here, boy. Why are you laying like that?
How I can swim mine? No, they spray. Yeah, that's what they do. Spray. I think I got it swim.
So
You know what Wednesday? You off Wednesday?
you off holidays, right?
That's my holiday, my job. We off.
See, I'm off every other holiday. So I work Memorial's Day. What's the next holiday? 4th of July. So I'm off 4th of July.
Yeah, we're gonna make barbecue.
Memorial Day.
We're gonna make barbecue. I'm gonna buy some chairs to put inside there.
I forgot the last day.
I'm gonna go to over there tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
to see if I got some. I'm gonna put my chairs in there. You.
No, I'm not ready to.
Hello. No, they don't. They don't send you to credit for medical aid.
Yeah, because I... So, something happened.
And I think you're gonna need something to put under their feet to make it. It's not straight. You see?
Oh, I'm sinking.
You got it?
The ladder sink right in there.
You have to say a little bit.
You having fun, Cody?
This one. Why did you have to go on the inside?
How they call it? Canopy or caboose?
Gazebo.
Gazebo.
Yeah, it's a gazebo.
I got a gazebo.
Ian, are you helping?
No.
You're not helping? What are you doing?
I'm helping.
Tell you two what you doing.
What?
Matt, Ian,
I
move the
just
ladder.
was going to call you to.
It's gonna be so awesome. Cookouts and mom's gonna be popping. This is like really difficult. I kind of thought it was gonna be super easy, but it's like in the way. Ooh, I'm at the top, guys. It literally got dark as shit fast. And we are gonna have to work on this tomorrow because that top, like that won't go into that spot because it's not straight. So we're gonna have to try to do something. Anything. We'll fucking bend it. We'll bend it if we have to. But we're almost there. This looks good. Looks good.
I'm gonna go get
Louisiana. Murder on a beat. Song for y'all to cut up to, you know?
Cause she is your grandma. Hey.